Most people in the United States are struggling with rising bills, rent, and everyday expenses. But here's the truth. Some people are quietly making extra income online every single day. And no, you don't need a college degree and you don't need a big investment. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways Americans are making money online in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. One of the easiest ways to start making money online is through paid surveys and micro-tasks. Companies in the US pay real money just to get user opinions. Websites like survey platforms and testing apps allow you to earn small amounts like $5 to $50 per day. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's a great starting point for beginners who want fast, simple cash online. Next is freelancing. This is one of the most powerful ways to earn online in the United States. If you can do things like writing, video editing, graphic design, or even simple data entry, you can get paid. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with real clients who are willing to pay anywhere from $10 to $500 per project. The best part? You can start with zero experience and improve as you go. Now let's talk about content creation. This is where things get really interesting. Thousands of Americans are making money from YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Even faceless channels like this one can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is consistency. One viral video can completely change your income. Affiliate marketing is another powerful method. Basically, you promote products online, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Many US-based companies offer affiliate programs, especially in tech, finance, and software. Some people are earning hundreds to thousands of dollars per month just from this method alone. Finally, let's talk about side hustles. In America, people are combining multiple income streams like delivery jobs, reselling items online, or flipping digital services. Even small side hustles can add an extra $500 to $2,000 per month if done correctly. The secret is not relying on just one income source. So now you know 5 simple ways Americans are making money online in 2026. Remember, you don't need to do everything at once. Just start with one method and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple money tips and online income ideas. See you in the next video.